Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How's life today? I wish today is a bright day for you. Welcome back to Miss English class of SMA Negeri 20 Panyabungan. Today I'm going to explain you about simple past tense and present perfect tense. So let's get started. And don't forget to smile and get free first. So, by the way, do you have any activity that begin and ended in the past? Yes, that's what I meant. That's we call simple past tense. So, now we go to the definitions of the simple past tense. Actually, simple past tense is some activities that we started and began in the past. On another word, we say the simple past tense, sometimes called the preterite, is used to talk about a completed actions in a time before now. For example, John Cabot sailed to America in 1488. My father died last year. He lived in Fiji in 1976. We crossed the channel yesterday. So another definitions about simple past tense are yes. The usage of simple past tense is to express completed actions in the past, to describe a series of completed actions in the past, or to express habit in the past. Okay. As you see the other usage of past tense in English, to talk about the past, to talk about the hypothesis when we imagine some things, or it can be for politeness. So how can you formulate the simple past tense? Look at the forms. You called Debbie. It is a positive form. Did you call Debbie? It is interrogative forms, and you didn't not call Debbie. It's we called the negative form. So, this is the spelling rules of adding D or ed on verbs. As you see, verbs adding in E, we add D. But for one syllable verbs adding one vowel plus one consonant, double the consonant and add ed. Other one syllables verbs add ed. Verbs and ing vowel plus consonant plus y, change y into I and add ed. And here is examples. Decide become decided. Stop become stopped. Wait become waited. Study become studied. Play become played. Many verbs have irregular past simple forms like drink become drank, see becomes so. Okay. Alright, now we go to the next tenses. It is about present perfect tense. So how can we formulate the present perfect tense? The present perfect tense is formed using has or have plus the past participles or other states of verb 3. Questions are indicated by inverting the subject and has or have. Negatives are made with not. As you see the sample like this, you have seen that movies many times. It is the positive forms. You have not seen that movie many times. It is the negative forms. And the last, have you seen that movie many times? Of course, it is in interrogative form. Okay. So, what is the usage of present perfect tense? There are so many usage of present perfect tense. As you know, present perfect tense is used to express an event that started in the past and the impact or of the event is now continuing. Or in other words, we say we can use the present perfect tense to express finished actions like she has lost her wallet. Or another usage, recent completed actions. For example, I have just finished. Or even unfinished actions. Duration for force until now. For example, I have lived in Paris for 5 years. The present perfect tense is used to show a connection in the speaker's minds between in the past and the present. This occurs in two main ways. A. The unfinished past by referring to something that started in the past and is continuing now. For example, I have lived here for 7 years and I live here now. I have worked here since 1994. It means until now I work here. So, present perfect. Sometimes present perfect tense be used for and since to explain the time. The present perfect for or since is used when something started in the past or is continuing now. For example, I've worked here for 6 years. It means I'm working here until now. He's lived here since 1990. It means he's living, yes, he has living there until now. Get attention for, please pay attention for the notes. For, it means a period of times. For example, I have lived here for 6 years, and since it show a point in time in the past. For example, I have lived here since 1987. The second point, I have worked here since February. All right, and sometimes present perfect should completed with word just, yet, and already. We often found that present perfect use the word just, yet, and already in their sentences. Now, please pay attention to the note, the positions of just, yet, and already. So it will make you true when you want to put the word just, yet, and already in a sentence. Now we start from the word just. Please pay attention. Here is example. He's just gone. It is the positive form. Has he? He's just gone. It is interrogative form. Now you have to bold. You have to have a note that just appears after the subject. And now go to the yet. The word yet. Look at the example. Has she gone yet? Have you written the letter to the file yet? Yes, as you know, yet is using when you want to make an present perfect tense in negative arrangative form, and you have to place the yet word in the last sentence like this. Okay, already, already, you have to please pay a look to the sentence like this. And this is how you place already in a sentence. For example, she's already left, she left already, she left the house already, has she already left? And as you see, already is using an positive forms even in the interrogative forms. Yet is used only in negative. So don't forget, yet is only, yes is used only with negatives and questions. As you see, she hasn't phone yet. Has she phone yet? Alright, the other thing I think that's about present perfect tense and simple past tense. I hope you are get the point. And if you have any questions, please meet Megan at the next class. Thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and bye bye.